up, y'all. So I'm gonna be trimming my own hair at home. I haven't had a trim in over 3 years, y'all, so my hair desperately needed it, and the outcome was so freaking cute. So I'm starting off with detangled hair. I detangled with that 3-minute Miracle deep conditioner. So my hair is very damaged, y'all, but the outcome is gonna be so pretty. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. So we're starting off with a heat protectant from Can2. It says it's a thermal shield. It's gonna protect your hair from the blow dryer, and I'll have all the items I use in the description box down below, so make sure y'all check that out. But of course, we're starting off at the very ends of the hair, and we're working our way all the way up. And when I tell y'all the shrinkage is so real, I have 4C hair, and y'all know it'll shrink up little to nothing, okay? But yeah, I kind of got a little bit of hair. I got a little bit of hair, so I went over my hair twice on high heat. So that's what we looking like right now. And of course, you want to make sure you evenly distribute the heat protectant. That's very important. Y'all, you see that? The attachment just literally kept falling off. Like, when I say, yes, the struggle be real for us 4C girls. So yeah, I got most of my hair done. I just want to show y'all the big fro. Like, I love my hair so much. It be a struggle, but I do love my hair. So your girl is done. My whole hair is blow dried out. I'm just grooving. I'm just vibing, y'all. So I'm going in with the Cheese Silk Infusion. If you guys have not tried this, you must try it. It will give your hair that silky smooth texture. So right now I'm going in. I'm going to go ahead and just straighten my hair. I'm passed through with the flat iron twice. And of course my ends were still like tangled, so I had to comb through it before I went through and did the chase method. So when you have the comb following the flat iron, it's called the chase method. And y'all, your girl low-key got some length back there though. Although I'm gonna have to cut a lot, I got some length. So this is the chase method right here, y'all. And that Cheese Silk Infusion, oh my gosh, just the shine. If you guys can like see, the shine is absolutely like phenomenal. Boom, you see that? Shining though, shining. You wouldn't even know. Hair damage, okay, but I'm shining though. So I'm just showing you guys how long my hair is. The whole back part is already done, y'all. So in order to, I'm actually on a like healthy hair like journey. So I decided that I need to like let the struggle ends go, y'all. The hair at the end is already damaged, and it's time to just let it go, baby. Let it go, let it go. So yeah, this actually turned out really well, and I was very pleased with the results. Y'all see that shine? Ooh, so your girl is finally done. I was so happy, y'all. I was like, I actually did a great job blow drying my hair and straightening it. So I was very happy. You guys can see the ends that just need to go. It's just not serving me no more. It's not serving me, and I can't grow my hair if it continues to keep breaking off and splitting. So I'm just showing you guys up close how my ends look. That's how my ends look. A lot of them need to go. So I bought some new shears, y'all. It was super pretty, so I thought I'd show you guys. I had some black ones, but of course they left. So in order to trim my hair, I watched this video from Deeper Than Hair TV. It's a YouTube channel, and she showed us how she trimmed her hair at home. So I followed her method. So I will link her video in the description box down below. I did my trim on my hair similar to hers. I kind of customized it at the end, y'all will see, but yo, my hair came out super good. I'm so thankful that she had that video, because y'all, this is my first time in 3 years. I low-key didn't want to trim my hair, but it definitely needed to happen. So she went at the top of her head and she put her hair up just like that, and basically she just seen like at the top, you guys see right there where it's kind of sparse and you can see through it. So that's where I decided to cut my hair, and y'all, it's harder than it looks. So I tried this like 10 times, combing my hair to the top, and finally I was like, okay, I'm just gonna cut it right here. And I think I did a good job, y'all. Like, let me know in the description box down below, like at the end of the video. Let me know if you guys felt like I did a good job or not. Like, be honest. This is my first time trimming my own hair, like I said, in 3 years. So then she took some hair she parted down the middle. She took some hair from the side. And then she put it like that. And she's seen where the hair needed to be cut. So I did that same thing. Just showing you guys using my hand. I'm just going to go ahead and just cut. I'm not the best at cutting, y'all. And when you cut your own hair, if you do, just try to cut all at once. Like one straight cut. Y'all, you see my face? I was like, okay, I think I did. I think it's looking good, I guess. So I can't stop now. I already started. So I went on the other side and I'm cutting that side as well. Just seeing where it's really thin. You guys see? Like it's kind of thin right there. So I just cut it. It was so hard to like be trying to record it and look at the little mirror that I have right there. Y'all see? I was like, yo, hey, listen, the outcome was cute though. Okay. Like trust the process. So she went more in the back of her head. She took out more hair just like that. And she put in her hair. She combed it all the way to the top of her head. And she was looking to see where she could see, like, you know, the thin hair. I didn't see much, though. So I skipped this part. But I made up for it at the end of the video. You guys will see. So she went down straight back. Put all her hair to the front. I was just trying to show you guys, like, the cut that I made at the top was pretty even. So she flipped her hair. You guys will see. You guys have to watch her video because I'm not good at explaining nothing, y'all. I got the visuals and the explanation will come from her. So as y'all can see, like, all that hair has to go, baby. It got to go. So I just cut. And I did a good cut that time. I was like, okay, I see you. I see you with the straight hair. With the straight good cut and all that. Not the straight hair. My hair is definitely already poofing up, as you guys can see. But yes, I was so satisfied. And I went ahead and I just cut any of the little straggly ends that I seen. But y'all see that difference though? Damaged, trimmed ends. I think I'm gonna go with the trimmed ends any day, y'all. I was low-key afraid, you know, or just kind of nervous about cutting my hair. But I can tell the difference when I ran my hands through my hair. Like the rough, damaged ends compared to the ends that I just cut. So y'all see that those gotta go. And I just cut straight across. I didn't even check, y'all. I was just winging it. I was hoping for the best. So of course I went in, and I hope you guys don't hear the dogs. My dogs are so rude, y'all. Like, hush. Who you barking at? Anyways, I cut any of the straggly ends. And y'all, I was like, okay, hey. It looks really good though. Like, in my opinion, it looks good. Let me know the truth in the description box down below. That's how much hair I cut off so far. I cut some of my struggle edges, y'all. Y'all need to see that. But right there, I decided to do my hair like this. She did not do this, okay? Just to let y'all know, this is all me. She didn't do this. So I went ahead and I trimmed those ends right there. As you guys can see, you can completely see through that. And I cut a good chunk off right there. And it actually gave me like a layered effect that I wasn't necessarily going for. I was just trying it. And I was like, okay, that's all right. At this point, y'all, the hair needed to go anyway. So I don't care if I had straight cut, if I had layers, it got to go. And I even used the comb. Y'all see that? Like, I was like, okay, well, that was all right. So I did it again. I'm just seeing like where it's really like thin at and it's sparse. And I'm just cutting all that off. Hey. It turned out cute though, but doing that gave me a layered effect. So just be cautious of that. And y'all, your girl is done. So I'm going to go ahead and curl my hair, give it a little style, y'all. And my curls came out so cute. I'm going to do 2 different styles with my hair. Let me know in the description box down below which one you guys like the most. I see that curl. Okay. I'm using the lowest heat. That was 310 for my flat iron. And I'm just curling my entire head. I'm trying not to put too much heat on it. Hey, I'm just jigging, y'all. because I just blow dried and straightened my hair. Finally done. I'm just gonna comb the curls all out of my head. First I'm gonna use some hairspray to try to like keep some of the curls. And y'all, I was like, the healthiness though. I'm that much closer to my hair being healthy. Ooh, she's cute. She's fly. Yes. So I went ahead and I tried the 70s like TikTok like hairstyle. And basically you just comb your curls up and you shake your head and voila, it gives you this little 70s like blown out look. It reminds me of Tina Turner, and I love me some Tina Turner, y'all. And I was just like, I could get jiggy with this. So let me know which one you guys like the most. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.